Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 BMW X6 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So a tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also when you're doing the installation for the headlight, you could have the hood a little bit open, that way you have room to work with on the top section here. So to start with the installation, we're going to start by applying tack solution to the edge of the headlight here, and slip solution to the rest of the lens here. That way once we align the film and tack it down here, we use the rest of the headlight, stretch it, and align it to reach to this end. And you could apply slip solution on the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the headlight and align it here. Once it's aligned, secure it and tack it down. So before we move on to the rest of the installation, we need to make sure this is secured. Once this is secured, now we could just continue on. Make sure everything stays aligned on the bottom and the top. Stretch it until you reach to that end. So since we already applied slip solution, we'll be able to move the film, align it, and stretch it to this edge. And once we have the film on this edge, we'll have to tack it down with tack solution here. So just spray it already on the edge. That way once it reaches, we hold it. It's in position here. We hold it for a bit. That way the tack solution can help the adhesive activate. Spray tack solution on top. Spray it on top of the rest of the film also. That way your squeegee can just glide and start tacking down the film. Make sure this section stays secured, it doesn't move. Squeegee, remove all of the solution. And now all we need to do is just focus on removing the solution and tacking the top and the bottom down. And if you have small fingers like these, just apply tack solution and a little bit of heat and use your microfiber towel, squeegee at an angle, and that should be able to remove the fingers here and securing this top section here. Once you finish applying heat, like I mentioned, you could use a microfiber towel and your squeegee. Just wrap it around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. That way we're able to tack down the fingers. And just repeat this process until you remove all of the fingers. If you need to continue applying heat, you can. Tack everything down. Repeat the process until you remove everything. Don't forget to secure the top piece. And then once you're done, we'll move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight is to post-heat the entire lens. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. That will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time post-heating everything, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 BMW X6. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.